Alright guys, we got a Dodge Caliber right here, 2010. On this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the old to a new cabin filter. So basically, on this side right here, glove box, I'll just use a pry bar, pry out this piece right here, same thing on the other side, and this whole thing will drop just like that. And there's a plastic hook right here, just have to pull this out. Same thing on the other side, pull it out, and this whole thing will drop. Just leave it on the floor like that. And now right there, this is the HVAC housing right here. Here's the blower motor down in there, access from the bottom, and here's the door for your cabin filter. Just got pinch on this side, same thing on the other side, pinch it out. It will come out, and then I'll just use this little hook on the end right there, hook it, the filter, and then pull it out just like that. Wow, look at that. There we go. It's pretty dirty. Compare it to the newer one right there. There you go. So the airflow, it face down, so it goes back where how the airflow goes, face down arrow right there. So it goes in like that. Put it on the slot. Slide it in. And then you put the cap back on. There you go. Finish. Now just put the glove box in there and then it's done. That's it. Thanks for watching.